The food ventures of Soai are powered by our patrons. To become a patron, click the patron link in the description box. Thanks, patrons, for helping to write Soai. Alright guys, welcome back to Stuck on an Island, where I'm stuck with you guys that we are always smiling. So today we are super excited to work on this particular video because I've wanted to do this for months now. Like you see in the title, we are doing a seafood boil. So we're using some of the ingredients that you can find all around Jamaica. For example, the spiny lobster. I know a lot of you American viewers are not quite accustomed to this type of lobster, but trust me, it is super flavorful. Now I'm gonna put the ingredients and stuff like that up on the screen, but you know, us as Jamaicans, we really just slap and dash. We just throw different ingredients at whatever, you know, ratios that we think. So I'll give you guys the basic idea of the seafood boil mix and stuff like that, and then hopefully you guys can follow it and tell me what you think. Now the entire ingredients cost was somewhere, I don't remember, probably it's like $7,000 because some of the stuff that I bought I'm not going to be using for this video, so it's about $7,000. And yeah, I don't know what's the cost for a seafood boil out there right now in restaurants, but I promise you, you can do this for your friends and your family yourself, and it's going to be way cheaper and it's a ton of fun. Anyway, let's get into the video, and you guys know where we are. We are pretty close, where it's never far. It's like there's like so many paradise shots here. Anyway, catch you guys in the next part of the video. Hey, Alyssa.
Hi,
Sitting
then.
pretty with your coconut.
Nice and sweet
Cool.
and great.
Love that. All right, so here's a tricky question. See,
Right.
you know, I like doing food content.
Okay.
If you were given a coconut right now,
Okay.
what dish could you add it to? Tell us how. It could be just water, it could be...
Oh. Well, we could use the insides and make the rice and peas. So
Okay.
we can scrape it out,
Yeah?
cut it open, scrape out the insides. We could always blend it, or if you want, you know, you could blend it and just get it soft and nice, and you just cook it down with your rice and peas. I mean,
So coconut milk.
yeah, it's your
Yeah.
coconut milk, you know. I mean, where did it come from?
Facts.
Right.
Cool. So, would you say that you know to make a nice rice and peas? Be honest though.
I make a decent rice
I
and
love
peas.
all the girl honest.
A
love that.
decent. It not perfect, but it decent.
But you're getting there.
Right.
Alright, if you were to choose rice and peas, how do you like it? Soft or shelly?
Kind of shelly. In between.
In between?
You know, like, not too soft, not too shelly, just the right. Yeah, yeah.
In between.
In between.
Alright. Looking really lovely in that bikini there, and you're enjoying your coconut.
Yeah, don't we kind of ish match ish?
Yeah. Alright, enjoy.
And then soaking in that. You know, you bring all that stuff back in the down.
Alyssa, water cold, no?
Oh God.
Oh my gosh, I can imagine. How you feel though?
Feels so refreshing though.
Feels so refreshing.
Yeah, it's relaxing.
That's good. There's so much in Jamaica to explore.
Definitely.
Jamaica has so many wonderful places and people, yeah? Cool. Now speaking of people,
Right.
alright, we kind of want to catch a vibe on who Alyssa is.
Oh Lord.
This one's for the boys. I know the boys are probably watching and go like, oh my God, you know, she looks really nice or whatever.
Who is her?
Who is she? Now,
She is me.
here's my question. You're gonna pick any popular Jamaican, anybody who you consider to be influential for our culture,
Okay.
and you're gonna marry them. Who is it?
For our culture?
Don't have to be culture, it could just be probably an artist that you like or you know.
Who would I pick? Alright, I'll go with Beanie Man. That's
Beanie
one.
Man?
Yes!
Wow.
For awkward reason.
King of the dancer, why?
Yeah,
What's the
I
awkward reason?
No. Something about the Rasta.
Something about the Rasta?
Yeah, it's giving Jamaican. So I like him. You said 3 or 1?
You can only marry one person, miss.
I'll marry Beanie Man. And it looks like he treats women good.
Yeah?
So, yeah.
Go Beanie Man.
Yeah, man.
Alright, that's a vibe.
That's
Well,
the
guys, you've had it. If you look like Beanie Man, you're good.
Beanie Man.
Alright, enjoy the falls.
Right.
Hopefully you might be able to find the governor somewhere up there. Who
Right.
knows?
Can climb and see.
Yeah, let's see. Alright.
Alright.
Oh, it's there.
So good.
They good?
Bad man.
Yeah.
Go on, I read, man.
Like I said, no KFC.
No KFC,
Oh,
no from this.
man.
Right now I'm about to eat like an African king. Look at that. Bad, you know? Bro. What am I buying it from here, Travis? Dipping sauce different. Bro, everything right now perfect. That's the perfect juice. Grandma. Oh my, sorry bro.
Oh, that confused me. Egg.
To the egg.
Everything boiling. Everything cooked nice.
Put nice corn. Corn was soft.
Get one little claw, a mini claw.
The best part, the potato. See, it hold its firmness, but it's soft inside same way. Travis, at the life. So guys, you realize that this dish, everything I paid for here, 7 to about 8,000. It's a lot of food. Me, Jilly, everybody, Travis. And I don't know if you guys wanna, do any cooking and whatever, Ray, but you can do it at home. Or if you're not into cooking, you come up by pretty close. You have a personal chef. And deal with some food, but I can't wait for Shelly lobster.
Bro, I tell you, see this here?
The butter sauce thing.
Sauce. Bad dog.
Mm.
Bad G. No joke. Are you turn them? Watch it. I buy this thing them I want me to eat. Because even though I'm not tasting like crab them yet. I know.
I go for and crab them.
Straight.
You know what time it is?
Straight.
Look at that, guys. Beautiful. Now for those of the viewers who are living in the US, you guys can make this even better because you can just ship out these live things like same day, live, ready, even better flavor. But now they want a sausage. Come. But no, she can't, she pepper, she not really mess with pepper, so I'll try to have her. Lucy. I know see you there to come, babe. Come. Oh, Lucy, they got earpiece. I'm gonna. You know? It's lobster time.
You want them claw? You want claw them?
Okay.
Okay. Woo.
Do you want a piece of this? Unfortunately, you have to be in Jamaica. You're there over there in America. Alright, so of course the crayfish, they are not deveined or anything, so along the way you can devein them yourself because it would be ridiculous trying to devein so many of those. Right. So like even here, while you eat, you just devein it yourself. Because I know people always ask that age-old question. I'll let Jilly try this piece here. And of course you can use your ramekin. Just have your nice butter in there with the garlic. And one thing you'll find, like the butter itself isn't like full of flavor, but you see like these little minced garlic, that's what has like all that salt content. So you have to be careful while you're doing it. So let's make Jill try.
Woo.
One go. How is it?
Guys, this is good. I'm surprised that it never, you know, like when you overcook lobster,
Mhm.
it's hard,
Mm-hmm.
but that's not the case. It's soft and sweet.
It's sweet?
You know lobster meat, about.
So I'm gonna try. Okay, no. Wow. Wow.
Buttery. Not the butter from the, but you understand?
Yeah. Facts. This is so good.
Just want a bed now. And use a hammock there for a little bit.
Guys. Back at it again.
Back at it again. It's a done, bro. It's a empty.
Cheers.
No. No, I don't go home. That's everything I shall have.
Oh boy. Smell good though. Oh man.
See, we had a turkey that needs smell of your remember? Okay, let's add an oxtail.
I should have worked on this a long time ago and showed you guys this, like, legit. Is the potato them nice? Come out just soft and nice, whole them shape. Hmm? Yo, them coconut that. Brother, a beer split it a split for me. Watch out, it literally split in a half. Yeah. Brother, the coconut lick about it like it, yeah, done it. Alright guys, so that was a super interesting day. I hope you guys tried that. I wouldn't say it's quite a recipe, but try that method. I'll put as much information as I can to help you guys to make an amazing seafood boil. But of course, I cannot provide this place to you guys only through a vicarious effect. So I hope you guys forward to this place, or you know, any spot that you can go to. If you're a person that loves the beach or you love the mountains, you can go out there and do something like this for yourself. However, I am going to be going into this amazing river, and if you guys check out the next video, Travis is going to be serving us up something amazing, so stick around for that. Well,
speaking of cold, you guys need to shop coldest.com this December and get 20% off the entire store. Use code XMAS. And remember, at the start of the video, I did give you a gift card.
anyway, we'll go wait for jellyfish forward in here, but if you don't say nothing more, remember these few things: love, nature, and adaptation. And always remember, keep the link.